Hello students, welcome to your 6th maths class. I am Jyoti Sachdeva from SCJDAV School Haripura. Today we are doing our chapter 11 transversal and pairs of line, and today we will discuss about the parallel lines. Which type of lines are parallel line? Two lines in such a way that when we extend these lines, extend means इस line को हम आगे बढ़ाएंगे and they never meet each other, then these lines are parallel line. And this is a notebook. In this there are many lines, and like this all these lines are parallel lines because when we extend these lines they are never meet each other. It means the difference between these two lines are equal at every point, then these lines are parallel line. Now see, there are two lines like this. Now if we extend these lines, they cut at this point, therefore these are not parallel and they are parallel. And symbol of parallel, that is two lines like this. This is the symbol of parallel. Now we will discuss about the perpendicular lines. If two lines make a 90-degree angles between these two, these are two lines and angle between there is these two lines is 90 degree in this side and 90 degree in this side, then these lines are perpendicular. Okay, now see the worksheet number 3. This is your worksheet number 3. In this worksheet their first question is identify parallel lines segments in the figures given below. कि figures में हमें parallel lines identify करनी है. In this is point A, B, C, D and E, and in this ABC triangle a DE line is drawn. AB is parallel to DE. AB किसके parallel है? DE. And how to write it? In this AB we use this symbol of parallel and then DE like this. AB parallel to DE. In this way we will write the parallel lines. Now in this, here is point A, B, C, D, E and F. In this AB line is parallel to this ED line. This BC line is parallel to their opposite line, that is EF, and this CD line is parallel to the line AF. Now in this figure, this is A, B, C, D, E, F and G. These are the points. Now start from this. अब इसके पैरेलल ये भी आ रही है और ये भी आ रही है. आगे पीछे हो सकती है लाइन, बट व्हेन वी एक्सटेंड दे नेवर मीट ईच अदर. इट मींस DC, FE एंड GA और तीनों पैरेलल हैं, तो उसके लिए हम क्या लिखेंगे? DC पैरेलल टू FE पैरेलल टू GA. तीनों को हम इस सिंबल के फॉर्म में लिख देंगे. और दूसरी साइड पर BC parallel to ED parallel to GF. Clear? Now see this next question. Take the line of this triangle AB. AB की लाइन लेंगे तो उसके पैरेलल कौन सी लाइन आ रही है? DE. एक स्टार बना हुआ है ना, तो ये लाइन इसके पैरेलल है. Now take the BC line. BC के पैरेलल कौन सी है? FE. Now take the CA line. CA के पैरेलल कौन सी बन रही है? DF. This one. This is CF. This is CA and this is DF. Now the next question is give 3 example of the parallel line from your environment. अब हमने अपने environment में से देने हैं. opposite sides of the book, opposite sides of the table, opposite sides of the windows, and similarly we can give many more examples like this. And the third last question of this worksheet is, are the following pairs of lines parallel? If not, then why? कि ये given pair जो हैं वो parallel है या नहीं है, और नहीं है तो why they are not. Now this is the figure of first part and this is the figure of second part, and after seeing we can say that they are not parallel because when we extend these lines they will meet at a point. Then reason of both are same. You have to write 2 times this reason. No, these pairs of lines are not parallel because when we extend these lines they will meet at a point. Clear? Now your worksheet number 3 is completed. Thank you.